So here I am spending some time on YouTube trying to make my little online business thing work, and I've seen a lot of videos in this niche, and almost every YouTuber says that the most important thing about dropshipping and selling online in general as a small business is finding a winning product. After all, people want to buy some sort of value, right? And to be honest, I had the same belief myself. Usually, when I make a dropshipping video, the first part of it is trying to find a winning product, but these days I have realized that even if you find a winning product, that means basically nothing if your supplier is trash. And I'm talking trash. I'm talking about long shipping times, no response to my several messages, and most importantly, some poor quality products. There was a moment I was feeling as if almost I would never become this thing, because regardless of how much time and effort I will put in, the results would be disappointing because the customers would be unhappy since I couldn't build anything for the future. So you feel me, right? You're probably at the same spot right now. But then, one evening, as I was struggling to find a good supplier, I got an idea. What if I could get connected directly to the biggest guys in business? What if I just could cut off the middleman trying to rip some money off me and talk directly to the big boss? This is exactly what I did, so I found madeinchina.com, a website that really delivers. At first, I wasn't looking for some magic solution, but after hearing a few people talk about it, I thought, okay, let's give it a shot. To be honest, I didn't know much about it at first, but once I got into it, I realized that this site could really make my life so much easier. So here's the thing. I've always struggled with finding reliable suppliers, especially ones who really care and want to work with small businesses. They either want big companies or they want to deliver on time. It will all get a big mess, and let's face it, right? Nobody has got time for that. I went to their website and decided to dive in and see how it worked. I started browsing through their categories and I was honestly impressed with the variety. They have got tons of products in almost every category. You could think of like electronics, home goods, fashion, industrial parts, and I could even find cool stuff in there for my small YouTube business here. I mean, I could as well build an entire Mr. Beast studio using only their products, and that was pretty cool. And what I loved the most was that it wasn't just about buying in bulk, and I'm talking about 100 plus products. No, you can get products in smaller quantities, which is great if you're just testing the waters with something new or trying to keep the inventory low. Now, trust me, as a small business owner, that is a huge deal. After all, that is why I started doing dropshipping in the first place. As a beginner, basically nobody wants to spend $20,000 to end up with nothing, or worse, to end up with huge losses. So keeping no inventory is pretty important. Back to Made in China though, I love the fact that they made it easy to connect with suppliers directly. A lot of platforms out there just never tell you with whom you're doing some kind of business, but this one has a system in place that verifies suppliers and provides real and in-depth information about them, which is pretty important. It's kind of like a marketplace, but without the risks of working with sketchy suppliers that can leave you disappointed. The level of detail on each product and supplier was truly a game changer for me. And as I mentioned earlier, I have wasted so much time and money before trying to find suppliers that actually care about their customers. I've ended up with late shipments or products just didn't meet expectations, and it's pretty frustrating because as a small business, you're always working against the clock. Made in China eliminates the stress by offering things like verified suppliers and reports and real-time communication, so I knew exactly what I was expecting and what I was getting into. And speaking of talking to people, let me tell you how easy it is to send messages. I could talk to the people selling the products really quickly, ask them questions, talk about prices, and even get little samples of what they were selling. This was way faster than waiting for days to get replies like I usually do with other places. I could get answers quickly, and that helped me move forward faster. Since I'm looking for new ways to save time, this was a huge win for me. Also, if the buyer places an order via STS, which is kind of their system, which is a secure trading service, they can keep track of the orders and have the refund guarantee assured. So I really liked how simple it was to keep track of my orders and payments. At first, I was a little bit nervous about it, but they made it super easy and safe to pay. Plus, if something goes wrong, which rarely happens, there's a refund guarantee, which made me feel a lot better about ordering. I've had bad experiences in the past, So this made me feel way more confident. I used to always get nervous when trying to place an order, but everything I've seen so far on this website seems quite good and legit. The prices seem great for my margins, and the best part is that I don't have to worry about crazy minimum order quantities like I would with other suppliers. For small businesses, being flexible is quite important, and Made in China honestly does that pretty good. I went into the website and saw some pretty cool stuff, and as a YouTube owner, I love to see that. Once I started exploring the platform more, I discovered all these special features they offer. That is pretty important, and it's a pretty cool way to get a better sense of what you're buying, so to get a better sense of the product before you decide or before you make a decision. Also, which is pretty cool, there's a ranking system. I'm calling it a ranking system that shows you what products are trendy, which makes it easier to find hot items that are in demand, and you already know what I'm talking about. That is the same as finding free gems on YouTube. I'm talking about winning products. And if YouTubers like Nathan, Jordan, or Logan charge you thousands of dollars for courses that teach you how to find winning products, because yes, that is super important, these guys give it to you for free. As I mentioned earlier, this website is the big boss, so you're talking directly to the big boss, let's say. So if you see it here, it means that you are the first and there's no chance this product is saturated. I mean, there might be other people selling it, but probably they just saw it 2 or 3 days ago, and you're going to have a lot of advantage with that. Now, when I thought that I have seen it all, I was just wrong. There was something called Amazing Ecom, this super cool annual event they have on the platform. I found out that this is an event where you get access to special deals, real-time product rankings, and new products. Yeah, new products. Something that the world hasn't seen yet, and you've got the chance to start selling before everyone else does. It's kind of like a big sale where buyers can connect with suppliers, offering discounts and new inventory, which is perfect if you're looking to find trending products. Now, do you remember how crazy Black Friday was years ago? Well, this is something even more fun. Plus, you can have the chance of seeing a 360 degrees virtual tour of some cool products, with no need to spend thousands to be physically there, and that just adds to the value of it. So, quick recap about Made in China. It's tailored for your business, it has verified suppliers and great products and reliable shipping times. After all, who doesn't want some cool events like Amazing April and finding winning products before everyone else does? Anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys because I know how tough it might be for new creators or for new dropshippers or business owners to find good and reliable suppliers without all the stress. And by the way, I almost forgot, you can check out the link somewhere in the description. And for the ones of you that really need more guides or ideas on how to make a living online, even as a teenager, make sure to check out this other video of mine.